What is up, everybody? Now, as of yesterday, I went to that building over there, and I said, no matter what type of likes, no matter what kind of likes we got, no matter how many views we got, I am going to open the garage door. Yes, you got it. And for some reason, the gate of these basketball and tennis courts were open. Fact. But anyway, yeah, let's try to hit 100 subs for beginners. Soon I'm gonna be going hard on you. Like, next thing you know, I'm gonna be demanding y'all to have 10,000 subs. So, anyway, yeah, let's get into this video now. It's only my second video, guys. I don't have like a full-on introduction. Sometimes I just walk right into the video. So yeah, let's open this garage door. Also, Hurricane Laura is hitting. Seriously, it just started raining. Must be glad I had my GoPro. So yeah, as y'all saw yesterday, visited this creepy place. I don't even know what that is. This looks like a maggot island right there. But yes, I have seen wasp. I don't know about this. Before then, let's get a thumbnail. So yeah, all my beginner videos are uncut because I'm so unprofessional. Judge me in the comments, I don't care. Just kidding, please don't. But anyway, yeah. Here we go. A phone from like the phone manual from like the 1980s. I don't know what could be in here. I don't know. Might need to like kick the door open. Hold on. Huh. Teacher cards are useful. Anyway. Need something to anchor it or something? Huh. Anyway, might need to crawl under there. Or there are nasty roaches and spiders. I do not like roaches and spiders. So let's just see a sneak peek under here. This is old stuff. Georgia Pacific. Like I said, there are a bunch of desks in there. I don't want people living in these places. A, trespassing, and B, you're creepy, man. Also, do not destroy dirt diver nests. It might look nasty, but you might think dirt divers are harmless. Trust me, I've had a swarm running at me before. So, over there are like all the wasps. There's no entrance leading to there. Is there? Am I wrong? Nope. There's an open space right there. I can crawl through it. But this will be a sick video, alright? Banger. I wonder what it looks like. Oh, yeah, hurricane. seriously, it's winding very hard. Just has to be at least 20 mile per hour wind. Look at this. Jeez. It's been overcast for 3 days straight. Way, guys, here's the revolution. I'll try to crawl under here. So hopefully there's an examine for bugs or any type of toxicness. Not where I'm crawling. Jeez, it's creepy up in there, man. But nobody's been here for like years. Even before 2016. Oh. Whoa. Like turbine vents over there, man. Oh. Oh. Whoa. This is incredible. It's so dark in here. Bunch of like folders. Well, those are the same risers that we saw in the drama room. Might not be the exact same, but like the same style. People do live in some of these spaces. People got caught. If you've ever watched Live PD, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's kind of boring. There has to be a lot of maggots in those boxes. Believe it or not, one time we were doing a project at summer camp, and it was basically pulping newspapers to make these Chinese lanterns. Yeah, that's weird. But we opened up the newspaper, there were a bunch of maggots in it. It's nasty. Nasty. Binders. Employee manual? Nothing much in there. I'll take this. Okay, no. I'm not stealing. I wouldn't want to steal. I'll just put it back there. Like lazy people at Walmart. Even my mom tells me, like, if I grab a Snickers bar, I'm like, Mom, can I have a Snickers bar? She's like, no. And she just demands me to put it back in the Mr. Goodbar aisle. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this was pretty cool. Might be a shorter video, but trust me, this is fine. Also, it stinks up in here, jeez. That human waste? Like, the stench this started. What's in here? No. They're for another school that I'm not going to. Yeah. So that's whatever this place is supposed to be. Inside the garage, I revealed it. Ow. I'm sorry about the face plant, but yeah, I did whatever I could. I want to get out of here quickly. A, my dad's coming, and B, I don't want that place to, I want that garage door to trap me in the hurricane, because seriously, looks like everything is about to collapse. I wouldn't be surprised if I hear sirens. Well, anyway, that concludes the second video on my channel. There's another creepy car there. Come on. What are they doing? Okay, they might be dropping off meals, but still. Why only one car in the parking lot? Is there only one person serving the meals? Let's go to like public projects. Anyway, yeah. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Guys, this was my best video yet. And it's going to be banger after banger after banger. So, yeah, no sponsor. I don't have any sponsors yet, but yeah, peace out.